Please be seated so we can start the program. Thank you very much. So, on behalf of Hindu Temple of St. Louis, I got the honor of introducing Srinivasa garu, so which needs not much introduction, everybody knows him. Srinivasa Rao is a software consultant by profession. He has been teaching Vedic mathematics since 2005. That's almost about 12 years. He started an organization called Sangamitra in 2004 and has been conducting summer mathematics program through Srinivasa Ramanujan Mathematricks Club. Started organizing Medhavadhanam every year during the second or third week of August since 2007 with the cooperation of Hindu Temple of St. Louis. Actually, since 2012 with the help of Hindu Temple of St. Louis. So, as you are aware of, I'm waiting for this. I don't want to take too much of your time. But I just want to let you know, I'm sure you already know how good this program is. My daughter has been through this program for probably 3 years. Then she got disconnected with some other reasons, which she was not able to continue. But I can tell you though, once she started joining and working through this program, she was really doing great in mathematics, and she's actually I think 2 or 3 years ahead of her school grade in mathematics. So it really helps when you are really take the subject that you get out of this, using all the tricks. It really helps you really in your school studies. So I just want to give you that example. With further ado, I wanted to introduce, which everybody knows, Shruti Manasa, who can elaborate on this mathematics Medhavadhanam program, how it goes and all rules and regulations. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, and thank you guys for coming to our 2017 annual Medhavadhanam. Srinivasa Ramanujan Mathematricks Club, he talked a little bit about it, but it teaches children easy techniques, making difficult, strenuous, or time-taking math into simple, easy math. And Feed the Hunger Foundation in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Srinivasa is currently a software engineer, and although he has work to do, his passion and soul remains in sharing math techniques with the youth of today. He has effectively taught math to students while also doing Medhavadhanams for 11 years. He runs Sangamitra.org, an online magazine that has jokes, puzzles, and mind-boggling math problems. Thank you, and without further ado, we will start the program. In a Medhavadhanam, you, the audience, ask questions, and each participant will answer the questions that pertain to their topic within a minute. Our participants will not be using paper, pencils, or calculators of any sort. Using these techniques not only helps answer questions quickly, but it helps you develop an understanding that it can extend your capacity to hold knowledge. Please give a warm welcome to the founder of Srinivasa Ramanujan Mathematics Club, Srinivasa.
Before starting, I would like to tell a little bit about Vedic math and what is the background of it. And in Hindu tradition, actually, we use lots of things. Some of them actually we know what exactly the background is. Some of them we don't know. I think many of you are familiar with Panchangam, right? There we have Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, and then Yoga and Karma, 5 items. That's why it's called Panchanga, 5 angas. So that is one thing, and then if you see, olden days actually they used to have certain rules they used to frame, like during solar eclipse time or lunar eclipse time, pregnant women should not go out, and they used to give some conditions, right? Now I think everyone says it's not that great. I mean, those are all actually we need to believe in those things. But now slowly, actually, even scientists say that is correct. We should not follow. We should follow those rules. Actually, in my childhood days, I used to, I used to wonder how our ancient saints used to tell about solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, and then solstices, and all those things. Actually, they used to calculate. With modern knowledge, actually, it's getting difficult for the scientists to understand how many universes are there, to what extent we are saying. We are actually, so far they discovered up to 1,000 light years distant planets, objects and all that. But actually they predicted so many things before. And they named it actually Mars as red planet, right? Actually, if you see that particular Graha Stotra, actually it's mentioned in that. So that's how, they know so many things, and they used to give it in a sloka form or some other form. In olden days, actually in Gurukulas, whatever the kids used to learn, it's always orally they used to learn so many things like slokas, some pajya. Pajya means actually it's made of some chandas. I'll explain you about that, but using those rules, they used to frame some poems or some slokas, and they used to learn all those things. And once they go to higher level education, then they used to teach how to decode them to get the actual information. So that is how, in childhood, up to 7-8 years, they used to chant so many slokas and all, and after that they used to get knowledge like that, because they know everything by heart, and then they used to decode and get the information like that. Probably, I'll explain some more things during the presentation. The other thing, actually, I don't know how many of you saw Jantar Mantar in India. Anyone? Okay. So did you ever, observe those things, like the geometrical figures there? So those were actually designed based on, certain mathematical formulas, so that you can find the time at a particular time, and the exact time actually it's not even like a few seconds maybe difference you may see, but it's the most accurate timing, like based on the shadow. And similarly, they used to tell about the solstice days, summer solstice and winter solstice and all this. So that is very wonderful knowledge actually. They used to pass on. When you see that park actually, Jantar Mantar, it's like a playing area. So they used to play, and then at the same time they used to learn these things. That is how actually our ancient learning process. Now I think we all know, like they, from morning to evening they keep on reading something, or they're doing some homework. Nowadays actually they're not going for the outdoor games also, most of them. Fortunately in US I think it's happening. I'm so happy about it. But in India I see lots of my neighbors, friends, families. Most of them they are holding books and reading till 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the morning, and they get up at 5 o'clock and again going to tuition at some education institution, which is very bad, because physically they are not doing anything, so always mental pressure, so which is not good. So I was telling about galaxies. So even modern science also, they found some galaxies, but they couldn't see it. So far away objects and all. Still, they are trying to explore all those things. But it's really amazing how our ancient, saints, how they predicted, how they actually figured out. And actually nowadays actually we are using calculator for everything. But in olden days they don't have any calculator, but they could find out the distances, very, exact values. If you read Hanuman Chalisa, I think you probably might have seen that through Google or not Google, Yahoo, YouTube. or maybe WhatsApp or some other thing, you might have seen that. So it says actually the distance from India to Lanka, the shortest distance. So it would actually, if you see Hanuman Chalisa, some other things, we think that is a stotra or some chanting, but actually there's lots of information in that also. And the namings, like Lalita Sahasranama, if you take each nama, each name actually is having some significance based on the characteristics, properties, and for the goddess. And similarly, we all pray Ganesha, right? Ganesha, he is actually deity for Mooladhara Chakra. Our Mooladhara means our spine, actually the bottom of the spine. That is the location. And then if you take Saraswati prayer, that is basically for Vishuddhi. So different actually chakras, the energy centers, they are the deities for those energy centers. So we actually chant those things every day to activate those energy centers, because of which we get lots of energy and concentration, and we can do a much better job of that. The other thing actually, I was telling about Jyotisha and then Chandas. These are all actually Vedangas, we say. In Veda actually we have 4 Vedas and 6 Vedangas. Out of them actually astrology is one of them, and similarly Chandas. If you see, Chandas means, I think some of you or maybe all of you might be knowing that, like in Vyaman Sataka or Sumati Sataka, those poems are there, right? You have 2 varieties of letters, Lahu and Guru, we say. Lahu means simply, if you say Ka, that is Lahu. If you say Ka, that is Guru. If you are extending that letter, that is Guru. Similarly, Ki, like that. You have Lahu and Guru. Based on those, actually they frame so many poetic ways, like Adavaladi, Tadagiti, Utpalamala, Champakmala. Those are names, actually names of different chandas. So those are very valuable things. Basically, when you practice certain things like about Vishuddhi, or Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, different energy centers, you get lots of energy like that. Vedic math is one of them to help out. Like if you practice these things, I never actually revealed this information before. This is the first time I am doing that. I always say, like, when you learn Vedic mathematics, you can do math quickly, and in other subjects also you excel. That's what I have been telling the parents and kids. But this is actually actually thing. Because I practiced Vedic math for about 3-4 years, and I saw the benefits of it. Now actually I can write poems in Chandas. I know how to do it. That is actually, I got that knowledge because of this Vedic math. I can tell that. Similarly, if you take astrology, that's also that knowledge also. Basically, if you learn these things, we know how to calculate things quickly. So that is how probably they might have in meditation. Actually, if you go to meditation, then you can figure out the distances and all those things. Actually, that is called intuition. That comes basically when you practice meditation, and then all the saints actually they spend a lot of time in meditating and then get that powers. Okay. Now actually let's learn a little bit about that Vedic math. Vedic math actually is brought to our community or to the world by Bharati Krishna Tirtha. He actually researched a lot on that Atharvana Veda, one of the 4 Vedas, which actually consists of science and technology, mathematics, and then so many other latest fields like aeronautical field, and then metallurgy, and so many other things, science related mostly. So he actually analyzed it, and he brought up 16 formulas based on which we can solve any problem like in trigonometry, calculus, geometry, algebra, whatever topic it may be. And then actually still, some of the Vedic math interested people, they are researching on different formulas, how they can extend it to other areas also. Actually, I introduce all the kids, whoever practiced in summer program, they are going to come onto the stage, and each one learn one topic to answer. So you can ask 3 questions for each candidate in the beginning, and then they'll answer your question and verify whether the answer is correct or wrong, and then next student comes like that. All of them they sit here. Once that round is over, you can ask anyone any question. Okay, I mean, like, if you ask one question related to fifth rule, whoever actually practice that particular topic, they are going to answer. If someone asks cube roots, that person will answer it. Okay? Yeah. Now the rules actually already Mansa explained it. Like, we don't use any calculators, we don't use paper pencils. They do everything mentally and then immediately tell the answer within a minute time. Okay, next. Okay, first topic is fifth rule. Fifth rules. Actually, here actually the steps are Alpi, come on to the stage. She is doing fifth rules. Yeah, the fifth rule actually what you need to do is, if you have calculator or if you have paper pencil, take any number from 1 to 99 and find the fifth power of it. For example, if you take 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 27, 27 times 3 81, times 3 243. You need to tell 243 and she will tell the number whatever you chose. That is 3. Right? Suppose if you selected, say for example 7. 7 times 7, 49. 49 times 7, 343. Like that, if you multiply 5 times, you get, I told 7, right? You get, can someone find out? 16,807. You get that? 16,807. So if you tell 16,807, she'll tell the cube root. Like that. Sorry, fifth root. Okay? So, come on, you may ask questions. 3 questions at this point.
12.
No.
Fifth root.
59,000.
Oh.
59,049.
Hey, can you take this?
Oh, I do all the calculations.
Yeah.
Ready?
Bhavana, you go. Bhavana. Bhavana, write big letters, okay?
59,049.
It's 9.
9.
Okay, one more thing actually. All of these kids actually, first time they are performing the stage, so they may be a little nervous at this point. So, okay, they are going to answer well. Just when you ask questions, you go one by one and then they do it. Okay, next question.
Okay, 3250.
What is that? 32?
3250.
That is not perfect power 5. You need to find out perfect power 5.
Okay, 1
Now
4.
take any number 1 to 99. For example,
That's
what?
20.
Huh?
That's 20.
So like this, sir.
Example of text. Choose.
Suppose if you take 11 for example, you need to multiply 11 times, 11 times, 11 times, 11 times, 11 times.
5 times. 20 times 5.
Huh?
Yeah, you have to do that and tell the answer. She will tell the question.
Okay.
Okay, 100,017, 649. No, 100,017,
117,649. 117,649.
Is that correct?
Vijay calculating.
19. 19.
Is that correct? Is that correct?
no.
Is that correct? And the question is correct?
Question is not correct.
Yeah, question is not correct.
Just compare.
This is another one. So let's try this one. 1,419,857.
Can you
857. Yeah.
Okay, I'll explain one more time.
17. Yeah.
Next one.
6525.
One more 6.
One, 4, 3, 4, 8, 907.
Okay, what is the next stop?
Multiplication by 25.
Yeah, multiplication by 25. So, Anurag. Yeah, Anurag is doing this topic. So, given him 5 digits number you can give. Okay, after 6 digits. And then he multiplied by 25 and tell the answer. But when you multiply, how do you multiply? How do you write your answer? You write from right to left, right? And he is going to write from left to right. Okay? Yeah.
Any limitation on the number?
Up to 6 digits. Up to 6 digits.
5.
Up to 6 digits number.
2, 1, 3, 4, 5.
2, 1, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, it's 533625. You can verify.
97879.
97879.
Okay, 244 is next. Good job. Okay, one more question.
5, 6,
5, 6,
8, 4, 2. Correct.
Okay, next topic.
Square root of number.
Okay. Next topic is
Computing square root of number.
Rishi. Square root. This one is also like, you know how we did for fifth roots, right? Similar square root. Take any number from 1 to 99 and then square it. Multiply the number by the same number. For example, if you take 57, 57 times 57, you get 3249. Okay, if you tell 3249, he is going to tell 57. Okay? Yeah. Is that clear? 3 questions.
4624.
4624. 66.
68.
4225.
65.
Correct.
3136.
56.
1 and 2. The Fibonacci sequence, I think most of you know that 1 plus 2, 3 next, third number. And then 2 plus 3, 5 next number. 3 plus 5, 8 next number. Like that, I mean, we need to get the number by adding previous two numbers. Like that. If you add 10 of those sequence number, that answer actually I tell you, tell the first two numbers. Okay, you want me to explain that? Are you interested?
Yeah, maybe.
Suppose if you have numbers like this, 2 and then 3. If you give the first two numbers, the next number in the sequence is 5. 2 plus 3, 5. And then 3 plus 5, 8. And 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. Okay. 34 plus 21, 55. Like that you get the numbers. You need to add 10 numbers like that and then keep the answer ready. And if you tell these two numbers, I'm going to tell the answer. Right. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, let's encourage kids first, so I'll skip that.
Okay.
We can do it later. Next one.
Cube root.
Yeah, cube root. Speed around. So cube roots basically, you need to find a number from 1 to 99 and then find the cube, and if you tell the cube, he is going to tell cube root. For example, if you selected 9, 9 times 9, 81, 81 times 9, 729. If you tell 729, he is going to tell 9. Whatever the number you chose. Okay, you can ask question now.
274. 274.
625.
625. 65.
681. 472.
88.
Yes.
85. 184.
One two one six seven. Yeah, correct.
Okay. Next topic. So let's introduce all kids and then we can ask any question later. Okay, next topic. Okay. Okay, so let's skip that. Frame 12 is number divisible by 30. Okay, happy that. So the pattern goes like this here. If you tell three-digit number like 273 or 479, something like that, and she is going to put 3 more digits, and again you can tell 3 digits, she is going to tell another 3 digits. So our 12-digit number is divisible by 13. So when you divide that number by 13, you should not get any reminder. That's right. Okay. So Bob, I can write the number there.
189.
85.
121.
732.
Yeah. Reminder 0.
Yeah, you can say number.
286. 065. 129. 305. I need 3. 277. 589. 444. 548.
Next up. Okay, switcher. It's finding recurring decimal places. This is very interesting topic. Say for example, if you have 1 by 59, okay, when you divide 1 by 59, you get 58 recurring decimal places. That means actually you get 58 decimal places, and then the same numbers repeat again and again. So he's going to write the numbers once you tell the fraction, but the fraction is supposed to end with a number like 59, 49, ending with 9. Okay, like 1 by 39, 1 by 49, 1 by 59, like that, up to 1 by 19. Okay, you can ask for him actually one question now, later you can do more, because it takes a little bit of time compared to others. So you can do one fraction. And sometimes you can see the answer there. When he tells the answer, you can verify it.
1 by 49.
1 by 49. Wow. Have it. He's writing from right to left. When you divide, basically we write from left to right, but he's writing from right to left. You get 42 decimal points for this.
Number of this one.
So that's the answer. 0.0040816326448979591 Probably I think in your calculator it may not be that many digits, but you can verify the beginning number. Okay, 5 by 5 matrix. So this one actually, if you tell any number above 60 and multiple of 5, like 65, 75, 85, 95, 105 or 110, something like that, 5 multiple, she is going to write the 5 by 5 matrix and fill in the numbers. So if you add row wise or column wise or diagonally, you get the same answer, same number, whatever you choose. Can you show something in the 5 by 5 matrix that Excel? So if you take that particular thing, you need to enter that number. So suppose for 65, that is the solution. When you add row wise, column wise or diagonally, you get the same 65 for that example. And you can tell any number like 90, 95, 105.
95.
Possible, I mean, make it below 150. That would be nice. Okay, 95, I think.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. She did. Okay, here actually the orientation is different. The orientation is different. The row actually consists one here. So
Good job.
Okay. Yeah, we'll stop with one question for this. Then we can ask. Next topic. Okay, triples. Phases. He is doing for odd numbers. Odd number triples. Okay, I'll explain. This. Okay. Suppose if you selected a number, say for example 15. Can you tell the answer? I'll explain. 112 and 113, we told that. So now, 15 square plus 112 square. If you add these two, then you get 113 square. Okay, these three are called triples. Basically, these are all sides of a right angle triangle, like that. Suppose this is 15, this is 112, then it should be 113. The right angle triangle. So you can ask any number from 1 to 25, only odd numbers, then he is going to answer. For even numbers, actually, another person is doing it. I'll explain it later.
21.
But what?
21.
21. Can you tell
220 and 221.
21, 220 and 221.
31.
No, after 25. Can you tell for 31?
25.
31.
Yeah. You didn't practice, right?
That's okay.
I did.
Okay, if you can tell, that's good.
480 and 481.
Seventeen.
144 and 145.
At 17, right? Okay, let's give others a chance. Very good job. Actually, I talked to him after 25, but he did it for 31 also. That's very nice. Okay, next topic. Even numbers. For even numbers, or even numbers is going to do. Like 1 to 50, you can give any number, any even number, it is going to do.
36.
36.
323 and 325.
22.
120 and 122. 48.
48.
575, 577.
Okay, next topic. Oh, Nitya. Multiplication by 11. Why is it
5 digits.
okay, right? Yeah. You can give up to 6 digits, and she is doing the multiplication by 11.
Four, 3, 5, 6, 7.
7, 6.
Yes.
Four, 7, 4, 8, 9.
4, 8, 9, right?
Yeah.
Five two two.
5, 2, 1.
Oh, she got everything. 5, 2.
5, 2, 1.
Please speak.
అదే చెప్పాను 5 చెప్పా మధ్యలో
She added a number by herself.
five numbers. But still she did it. She came close actually. Yeah, she did it.
Eight to seven.
7, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very well answered.
Yes.
Then 3 questions. Okay. Next topic. Oh, that's it, right? Okay. I have exit also. Martha. Can sit there. Yeah, the other topic I think everyone is interested is when you tell date, month and year, I am going to tell the date. For example, if you say August 12, 1967, I can tell what day it is. And for this actually you need to know the answer. Otherwise that means no answer. So that is one of the topics, and Fibonacci sequence is one of them. And square of a number. If you tell any number up to 100, I can tell the square. Okay, that is another thing. That's okay. Right? Yeah. So you know that now you know all the topics. You can ask any topic, whatever you are interested, and then the corresponding person will answer.
We are trying to find the lowest to tell. We are daring to ask you.
Okay, so are we doing the day now? Okay, are we doing the day now? Okay.
Yeah, you can ask that.
Jan 19, 1982.
January. What day?
Jan 19, 1982.
19. Okay.
82.
82.
1982. Deva party, yeah? Party, Pandaga.
It's Tuesday.
June 12. June 12. 1986.
Okay, it is Thursday.
8th October 2007.
8th October.
2007.
మీ డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్
వీడి క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తారు 2007 చెప్పారు.
Okay, it's Monday. Okay, last question. Okay, after this, you can ask. Okay, sorry. June 6, 2002 was that?
Yeah.
Is it Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay, last question. Please ask me.
January 17th,
January
1990.
It's Wednesday. Okay, now you can ask them. Whatever topic you are interested in. You can see them later, and if you want to give the 8 month year, you can do that later.
Fifth root. 380 204 032.
$52.
Good.
Okay, one thing. After this, after some time, I'm going to explain one topic. If you're interested, you can stay back and you can learn one topic today. Not on this topic, but some other techniques, one technique.
Square.
Yes.
Square root.
Yeah, that's okay. Let him come.
7056.
84.
5th root. 1889 568. 1889.
Yes.
Yeah.
18.
Nice.
Okay.
Cube of numbers 17576.
26. 144 and 145.
23.
264 and 265.
33. Oh.
225.
I can do it. 544.
It's even 28.
So you can actually check the answer there.
168 and 170.
Okay, another topic?
Multiplication by 25.
We don't need my.
Multiplication by 25, right? 676 544.
One 187 234.
Nitya, Manasa and Arpita didn't got, and Sri Charan, right? Sri Charan. Fraction.
1 by 31.
Yeah. No, it ends with 9. Ends with
Ends with 9.
9. Yeah.
1 by 39.
Japan in this matter. We could take it.
Nitya. Mama.
This is the one.
You get 58 decimal places.
You told me not to ask that one, so I have to do it, right?
I think 1 by 49 is toughest.
He asked 8 month year. I can tell for another fraction if you want. Or
89.
from left to right, huh?
89.
1 by 89? Okay, you can enter the answer. You can use another row. 0.0 1 another one.
This was conscious. This was conscious.
Three. Five. Is that correct?
Yeah, so far correct. 0.0112.
Yeah,
Three,
next
five.
number is 9. Next digit is 9.
Yeah.
5. Another 5. 0. 5. 1. 6, 1, 7, 9, another 7,
No, it's rounded.
It's rounded here, so we can verify.
It's rounded.
So if you know how to do
575. 423.
4, 3, 6.
Yeah, 423.
That's fine. Did everybody got answer? Chance?
Cube root. 357911 cube root.
Next, cube root.
Nine seven zero 299.
Correct. 658 503.
Nice. Okay, I will ask toughest one. 343.
7.
Correct.
One more.
250 047.
63.
9261.
21.
But I am 0.
132 651.
51.
Okay, next topic. Triples. Three. Okay, if it is union, I asked you to
25. Up to 25.
25.
Up to 25.
25. Sorry.
19.
19. 19. Yeah, 29. Yeah,
180 and 181.
Yeah.
Sorry.
61 to 4.
23.
Sure.
14.
48 and 50.
24.
143 and 145.
18.
80 and 82.
42.
100. 122.
42.
144 and 142.
48.
575, 577.
Now, actually, I wanted to give some small gifts basically for the kids, and after that, actually, we can continue for some more time. One of them actually wanted to bring it up. So.
You can come in the middle and take pictures.
Finding cubes. Okay, just simple using finding cubes. With simple additions and subtractions. That's that. And then, for example, if you take 97 cube. So this can be done with simple steps, but you need to simple multiplication like second table, 2 table, 3 table like that. You can solve it. So 97 is 3 short of 100, right? Minus 3. Remember that. And then we write 100 minus okay, let me tell squares first, then you can extend it to cubes also. Let me tell squares. If you take 97 square if you want, 97 is 3 short of 100. So you can write 97 minus 3. That is one part. The other part is 3 square is 9. But we are taking base 100. It's close to 100, right? So we need to fill 2 places. Because it's 10 square, we need to fill 2 places. So we get 3 square is 9. So put 09. And then 97 minus 3, 94. So 9409. That is square of 97. Simple. The first step is we need to find the deficiency compared to the base. Base is 100, so 3 deficiency. So we need to subtract 3 from 97, we get 94. That is first part of the answer. And then 3 square is 9. But because our base is 100, we need to fill 2 places. So you need to put 09. So this is the answer. For example, if you want 96 square, can someone tell? 96 minus 4, and then this is minus 4, right? 4 square, 16. So if you subtract, you get 9216. You can verify. Find square root and you should get 96. Simple, per square. Cubes also, it's a little tricky, little bit.
How about the 3-digit number square?
Yeah, we can do that too.
Yeah, based on.
Suppose if you want 987 square. 987 square. We take base 1000. And this is 13 short of 1000. So now, because we have 3 zeros or 10 cube, we need 3 places. Okay, 3 places. What is 13 square? 169. So write 169. Right? And then here you get 987 minus
13.
13. You get 9, 7,
74.
4. So this should be your answer. So simple subtraction and squaring.